How to set up a Lightbox trigger on Wix. So first things first, let's click on this plus icon right here in order to add a Lightbox. Now it will open the elements option. So just head over to the interactive and we have in here Lightboxes. So once you have head over to that particular part of it, you should be able to see a lot of info or a lot of design that you can choose from in this case. So let me head over and then just choose one from the specified list of light boxes that I can. I'll head over and then choose this new collection and I will just drag it right around here. Now once I have dragged it, it should be able to be added to the site and it should be able to open as well. Now in order to set a trigger, you can just head over and then click on the set a trigger option, which is this button right here. And then it will open this. So make sure to click on this yes right here in order to automatically display this on pages. And you can also put in here a delay that will be the trigger of your Lightbox. So that's how you set up a Lightbox trigger on Wix. Hope you helped.